Welcome back, my amazing fourth grade artists. Before we get started, let's learn a little more about Vincent van Gogh and watch this video I created about Vincent van Gogh and his life. Just one more thing to show you before we get started. Let's watch the Starry Night and let's see it move. Van Gogh inspired Poppyfield Part 2. The materials you'll need today are your project from last week and some watercolor paints. All right, boys and girls, let's get started. All right, boys and girls, now we're going to add some paint and some color to our painting. What I want you to do first is you're going to get out your watercolor paints and we're going to start by adding some paint to the sky. And you're going to notice that that crayon texture that you added last week is going to pop out of your painting because crayons and watercolors don't mix. So go ahead and use some blue paint. If you want to mix in some other colors to make a nice colorful background with some sky colors, go right on ahead. Once you're finished painting the sky, then I want you to choose a color for your middle ground. I suggest choosing a darker green, and what you'll also notice when you paint over that section that the crayon grass will start to pop out as well to show a nice texture to your picture. And then for the foreground, just to separate it a little bit from our middle ground, I want you to choose a lighter color than your middle ground. And that way it's going to make the foreground pop out because it's the closest to us. Now put your project somewhere safe so we can finish it off next week. See you next time, boys and girls.